Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, Vastu remedies, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. So if you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you get notified when my further video is released. So let's get started with today's video. So let's see what's there in today's video. So today I'm going to talk about the personality traits of number 2. I'll tell you in detail what are the personality traits of people who are born on 2nd, 11th, 20th and 29th of any month. But before moving on to number 2, I'll be explaining you in brief that why these numbers are so important in our everyday lives. Numerology, which is the science of numbers, the game of numbers. Why this numerology has got a lot of importance, lot of significance on our life, in each and every individual's life. Let's see why it is so important. Because since we have taken birth, the date we are born, the month we are born, the year we are born into, the time we are born, we are surrounded with numbers. Wherever we are, wherever we go, we are always surrounded with numbers. Everything involves numbers. And that's why these numbers play a significant role in our life. Each and every number have got its own planet. For example, number 1. Number 1 is ruled by Sun. Then comes number 2. Number 2 is ruled by Moon. Number 3 is ruled by Jupiter. And the list goes on. And these planets have a very strong influence on us. Because each and every planet has got its positive side and negative side too. And that's why each and every individual has got its positive trait and the negative trait. And numerology, it is a very important aspect of astrology. Astrology, it is a broader term, but numerology comes under astrology. So it is a very important aspect of astrology because it helps us in determining our future, our life. It predicts our future. And basically it shapes our future. It helps us in determining our strengths. It helps us in overcoming our obstacles, overcoming our weaknesses. And that's the reason it is so important in our life. And this numerology has a very strong influence on our life. Now we'll move on with number 2. Let's see what are the personality traits of people who have got number 2 in their birth chart. Firstly, if you're born on 2nd, 20th, 11th or 29th of any month, that means you are ruled by number 2. Because if you add 29, 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Again, if you add 11, 1 plus 1 comes to 2. And if you add 11, it comes to 2. If you add 20, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So if you're born on 2nd, 11th, 29th or 20th of any month, that means you are ruled by number 2. And number 2 is ruled by Moon. Moon is the governing planet of number 2. And now the question comes. The question arises, what does Moon represents? What does it signifies? Moon represents our female side. Moon possesses the feminine energies, the female energies. And that's the reason people who are born on these dates or people who have got 2 in their birth chart have got feminine energies in them. They have female energies, and that's why they are very soft and kind-hearted individuals, very emotional and very helpful beings. These individuals have got motherly nature in them. They are highly sensitive and highly emotional, and they believe in helping other people. They believe in welfare of the people. Because just like a mother, the way she takes care of us, the way she manages the responsibilities of the entire house, the way she takes care of each and every family member, and the way she loves us. Because mother's love is the selfless love. It is the most selfless love. And no other love can be compared to a mother's love. It is a true fact. And most of us can agree to that. So the same way, number 2 individuals have got that motherly nature in them. They are very loving, caring, emotional, and very understanding individuals. So if you've got your friend who has got number 2 in their birth chart, or who is born on all these dates, and if you feel reluctant to approach them for any kind of help, then just approach them without any hesitation. they'll be ever ready to help you whenever you are in need. These individuals have the habit of keeping aside their work to help out the other person. They can go out of their way to help the other person. And that's a pretty good quality that number 2 possesses in them. That's an excellent quality, I would say. They are very giving at heart, incredibly giving individuals, number 2 are. Then they are highly emotional, highly sensitive, these people are. So they tend to get hurt very easily and they take everything to their heart. So if you have a friend or any other family member or any other colleague, try not to use harsh words on these individuals because they tend to get hurt very easily. If you want them to understand something, if you want to correct them on their mistakes, just use some nice words. Use some good sophisticated words to make them understand that particular thing. Only then they can understand. Because 2 is a number of love, balance, peace and harmony. They understand the language of love and they are very patient and calm and composed individuals. They have got a lot of patience in them because they have got moon energies. And in the previous video, I talked about sun. I talked about number 1, that number 1 is ruled by sun and sun is a very hot planet and people with number 1 are really short-tempered. But it's not the case with number 2. Number 2 is ruled by moon and moon is a cold planet. It is not the hottest planet like sun, and that's why people who have got number 2 in their birth chart are very calm, composed and very patient individuals. And when is the best time? During the whole 24 hours a day, you feel much more relieved and relaxed. It is the night time. We feel stress-free. We feel relaxed, relieved. So that's why number 2 individuals are really calm and composed personalities. As I said, number 2 is a number of love, balance, peace and harmony. So people with number 2 are known as peacemakers. Yes, they are given this term peacemakers because they believe in balancing. They believe in peace, tranquility. They believe in serenity. They love serenity. And they are not the ones who usually get into fights, arguments or conflicts or any other misunderstandings that creates a lot of problems. They are against violence. They're not the people who will get into fights or arguments, any sort of unnecessary fights. In fact, they are the ones who resolve the conflicts, who resolve the fights between their family members or it's their team members. Whether it's their personal life or their professional life, they are the ones who solve the conflicts and they clear the misunderstandings between the people. That is an excellent quality, the wonderful quality that people with number 2 have in them. People who are born on all these dates, which adds up to 2. And then comes the next quality. People with number 2 are highly intuitive individuals since they possess moon energies, and that's why they're highly intuitive and highly spiritual beings. You know, they balance their physical mind and their subconscious mind. Their subconscious mind is so powerful that they always listen to their gut. They always follow their intuitions in any particular situation. Or if they want to get an idea about any particular person, that whether this person is good or bad in their life, or whether this person should be there in their life or not, they always listen to their intuitions. And they always tend to follow the right path. They always choose the right path after listening to their intuitions because their intuitive power is very high and they're always correct. For example, if any situation comes in their life or any phase comes where they have to decide between 2 things or between 2 people, and it's a very critical decision for them, so they always listen to their gut, their instincts, and they apply it in a practical manner. They act accordingly after listening to their intuitions. Now comes the next trait of number 2. Now number 2 individuals are secretive too. So if you know that you know a person with number 2 completely, then you're highly mistaken. They have the habit of hiding things. They have secretive personalities because they have got moon energies, and that's why they are secretive. But if a person is hiding something to save the other person, to prevent the other person from getting into a trouble, then it's a good thing. But a person is hiding some things, some major things intentionally for their own benefit, then it's not a good thing. Then these things should be taken care of. People with number 2 are secretive. Now comes the next trait. People with number 2 are highly creative. They are highly creative and they dream a lot. They are very good dreamers. And they are known as good dreamers but not too good doers. Because they do have an unstable mind too. Why? Because we all know that 15 days a month moon rises and 15 days a month moon settles. And one day moon takes its full shape, it's full bright in color. And one day there is no moon. The same way, the same logic applies with number 2 as well. Sometimes they're too happy, sometimes they're too excited, they feel like working the whole day, they feel energetic, but at the very next moment they get into the sad and depressing zone where they lack self-confidence, where they feel that they don't have any more energy left in them and they cannot do this, they cannot achieve their goals, and they feel that they don't deserve to be loved. They get these kind of negative thoughts in their mind, and because of which they tend to get a lot of stress and anxiety related issues. I've interacted with a lot of people who have got a lot of stress and anxiety related issues, who are under depression, people who have got number 2 in their birth chart. So there are remedies for people with number 2 who have got all such issues. But if your moon is placed right in your horoscope, then that's not a problem. But if moon is not placed right in the horoscope, it's not correctly placed, then there are very good remedies, very beautiful remedies that these people should follow, which will help them to get rid of all such problems that they're facing in their life right now. And if you want in detail reading with respect to numerology, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. So in case if you want to know more about numerology, some Vastu remedies, spirituality, or you need some crystal healing tips, you can definitely share, like and subscribe to my channel below. And also if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to numerology, tarot card reading, Vastu remedies, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. So thank you so much for watching my video.